Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm a tutor Ekam Sharu and I'm back now. I hope you are well. So I have uploaded 4 videos with the Unity Node.js multiplayer games. I will show the player response system and all the details each player including their position, rotation and everything. And also player leave the server. So let me first say that the next video will going to be very interesting because in this next video we will look at peer-to-peer audio communication for the multiplayer games. So first open your server side code folder, then just run it your server, and I just connect the MySQL and Apache to the Jamf control panel. Okay, here is my game section. So let's see my code in the C sharp. So here is my server side main code. In this code, I just added a player position function, and here is the my game manager code. In this management code, I just first logged in. So when user logged in, then I call yes player has logged in. So then I create a JSON folder of JSON and give there my information, etc, etc. Then I just call this function, and in this function there have some parameters. First is a resource, I mean uh, user player or resource prefab, and then when you where you spawn this position, so and it's a player data. So let's say the SJSoft spawn player function. So in this function section, I just first fetching the is connection or not. So if I connected or my play, I have no spawned my player, so then I call it. Then I call spawn, and in this spawn function I added there all data like object information, that means my information, uh, API IP address, that means my IP address port. So I will talking about later the previous the next video. So the object name, position, etc, etc. Okay, then I set the event name and send the data, and first I fetching there is available this player prefab or no. If available, if not available, I mean I already I have no players to for spawn. So first user have no player prefab, and so that means I just create a player prefab, that here is, and I added there a identification. So I will talking about later. Then I if spawn set data collection is 0, that means I just fetching their spawn data collection 0 or not. If 0, so I just create a new string, that means initialization. Then I added spawn set data collection. Then I sent the data to server. Then I just still wait when I grab this message to server, I mean data to server. Then I remove this spawn set data collection at least. Let's see the server side code. In this server side code, here I grab the spawn push all data. Then I call there a function, it's a spawn, and I pass there a ws web socket. uh, so in this every player need a serial index. Then I added all players a serial index owner, and then I send the spawn object to me. Then I send my information to others clients. In this for each section, I sent my data to others clients, and in these sections, every client sent me the e- others clients data. That means I saw every client saw me, and I have saw all clients. So there is a condition. If client is not me, then uh, I just saw everyone can saw me. So when I send my information to all client, so then back to the Unity code section. So every client got this spawn message, because in this function I send their string JSON data. Then I search, oh yeah, I got a spawn event. So because I give their spawn event, so every client take this spawn event. Then every client see, oh yes, this user can join. Okay, this user already have joined. So every client uh, take my position, rotation, everything, and also IP address, port, etc., etc. And then I just collect this information to in queue section, because fast in last out, fast in fast out section. I just collect it, and then I just search their yeah, oh yeah, is resource folders any avatar is available. If available, so I just added this spawn this that avatar and set their my position to this avatar for the others clients. Then I my information sent to other client. I mean my information set my information this avatar. Then I just collect the spawn data collection, because I just collect their my data collection and give their my identification key and my spawn object. So then, so back to the server side code, and let's discuss this code. I have saw all clients. So in this section, I need all client. So in my section, I take all clients. So let's go back to the Unity code. So when I take all clients and I send their message, then I grab it and again. So again I check their spawn data collection and added their key, and then um, see this code. So when I send my data, when I spawn it, then I call there a thread. So either still wait when my spawn data collection count greater than 0. It's not 0 and spawn data collection is not 0, then I face their key. That means this user already spawned or no. If spawn, then I removed. Okay, let's talking about the real-time player position in this identification code. So user has position, rotation, and scale. I just check there if on user me, and already I have connected with this server. Then cursor visible. Okay, camera is start on my side, and I just call there some function like fast animation, and on animation, and the last I um just position my just change my position. First talking about the position, so I call their real time transfer function. So in this function I have passed the position, rotation, scale, um, animation parameter name, animation parameter type, that's me, okay, animation parameter boolean and trigger, is value, etc, etc. Then I collect the position, rotation, and scale. Then I submit there as a cache. Then if main user have no main animator, so I did not apply this. So the if user have animators, so I just pass there. Oh yeah, user run, and user working, and user idle animation, that's it. The question is where I call this real-time transfer. So let's back to the server. Here is the real-time update function. So this update function I have called this section. So here is the real-time update function, coroutine function. So I call there a main app opened. I mean main okay, main open connection. In the main open connection is this is open. So user already open. So I just call there a connected. Then I send run the this real time updates. So I add the loop, while loop, and if I first check is my player preferred is active. That means I already spawn it and connected others players, no. And then I checked I have is I have identification. If I have, then I um, transfer my all of this information. So where is this information? So if I, so here's my object prefab. So I collect this object prefab when I spawn on, and let me show you in this code section. When I spawn it, then I called initialize. So sorry, instant, then I call initialization. So every is every identification section I call initialization. In this initialization is me owner. That means back to the server side code, I add their owner because it's me. And if I know to owner, then I just simply uh, add their owner false, because every client saw me is false, because I'm not a owner, because that's client's not a owner, and this client's as not a owner. So back this code, and if I owner, so I just in this server code section I just add there a my this prefab, and disconnect my text and allow this text when it's not owner. So back to the game, back to the server side, and let's see this code. So when I take this, then I transfer the object position, rotation, everything. And here is the animator parameter type. So here is the constant value. So I added there a parameter value. So then I go to the identification, and in this identification, because it's my own, when I go back or horizontal go back forward movement, so it's then I called this animation section, this animation function section. I call this animation parameter name animation, and everything. So after collect this all data, then I add their data of this section on transfer this section. I already pass it every time. This animation parameter value type parameter, uh, all of this. So the next is if I leave this server, so I want to delete my prefab and all of things. So how can I do this? So let's see my code. So in this on destroy function, if ws not null and not live, so I just call the function of ws call function. So then switch back to the server side code. So then I got uh, this ws on close section, I got oh yeah, client left ID this, and then I delete my ID to this client data. So this client data means so when I connect the server, so I added the client. So first I give their ID, unique ID. Okay, let me explain it. Go to my first Unity project section code. So when I connect with the server, then when I connect with my the server, then I called open main open connection is open. Okay, so main open connection section, add there a data, and the data connection true, and then send it to sgdsoft at the rate connected event, and just then I update the real time. So when I sent the connected event and grab it from the server, then I can check, yeah, I'm already connected. Then I generate some few random second, and in this random second I give their identification number and added their client array, and I just print it ws connected connection. And when I send it, then back to my code. In this code, callback message back, so I first collect their a event, so match their event. If I event, so the connected is connected call, get user id, I collect the user id, and that's it. And then if I leave this server, so back to the server side code, so I just delete this client, it's me, and then I remove me to all clients. I take it and for it. So then I delete my account to all server, and uh, so I sent their a event. So event name is remove client. So if I go to the game side code, here is the okay, it is identification. So back to the this is, so remove client. So when I take this event, then I simply spawn. So I just collect, I just added there a queue, and well, okay, I just collect the queue and find all players and match their ID. If I got this ID, so I simply destroy that player. That's it. So here is my build file. So let's run this. So first I set up this in this side. Okay, this side, and open it. Uh, query this type, and open another. Okay, so I just set up it. Okay, this, okay, this. So I just logged in gmail.com, password 123456. Yeah, logged in. Okay, perfect. And in, sorry, um well, and this was .com, set their password, give their password, logged in. Yep. So you can see I don't see username, and it's me. So this is, so I just saw my, not my name, his name. Okay, there. So, okay, because one PC has two, well, so you can see here is the gamer, other players. So after finish the peer-to-peer voice communication system, then I'll show you how to create a database system like bank account, pocket, and user login and registration system. And also I'll show you that how to create a admin panel. So you at the admin also can added their user amount. That means how much money user need to fast create account. So if I added there 1000 money, so user can and take 1000 money when he create a new account.
If you like this video, don't forget press the bell icon. Thank you.